Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and useful guide on how to reduce motion on X, formerly known as Twitter, when using the web version on your computer. If you've noticed a lot of animations or transitions while scrolling or switching between tabs, this setting can help you make the experience smoother, calmer, and easier on the eyes. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open X on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so that your settings can be saved automatically. Once you're on your home timeline, look to the left sidebar where the main menu appears. You'll see options like Home, Explore, Notifications, and Messages Now. Click on the option labeled More. A small menu will pop up with several items. From that list, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can customize how the platform looks and behaves for your specific preferences. Next, find and click on Accessibility, Display, and Languages. Under that section, choose Accessibility. You're now looking at settings that help make X more comfortable for different visual and motion preferences. Here's the key part. Check the box that says Reduce Motion. When you enable this, the website will reduce or remove certain animations, such as transitions and motion effects that happen when you open tweets or scroll through media. It's especially helpful if animations sometimes make you feel dizzy, distracted, or if you just prefer a cleaner browsing experience. Once you've turned it on, there's nothing more you need to do. X automatically saves your setting, so it will stay that way until you choose to change it again. And that's it, you've successfully reduced motion on the X web app. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how smooth and comfortable your time online feels. If you found this guide helpful, try exploring other accessibility settings too, and make the platform truly yours. Thanks for watching.